I'll begin by acknowledging this isn't really like my typical type of video, but I wanted to try something a little bit more slower paced and just take you through my routine when I'm straightening up a little bit. And a lot of my favorite minimalist channels have made clean with me content. Someone actually did leave a comment asking for this type of video a while ago, so I know there's at least one person out there that would like to see this. I just like the idea of having something calm playing in the background. But first, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Here we talk about minimalism, building good habits, and things of that nature. So if that sounds good to you, and you end up liking the video, be sure to like and consider subscribing. Now, let's get started. Now, it's obvious that I don't have much in here, but when I do have a busy day or week, I manage to let the mess pile up, usually my laundry or my desk. Before I show footage of me sweeping my floor, let me put on shoes because I got about 3 too many comments about my feet in my room tour video. I flip my bed up against the wall to sweep my floor. My room gets particularly dusty. Recently, I've been playing rain ambience or some other type of nature sounds in the background while I clean. I've definitely noticed that a lot of my video ideas come to me while I clean my room. Maybe I just find the process therapeutic or something. I wash my bed sheets every few days or so, more often than recently because the amount of cat hair that I find on it is abundant. She's not allowed up here, but I can't say no sometimes. When I know that I'll mostly be doing chores or running errands throughout the day, I'll throw my clothes into the wash and let that run while I take care of other things. Next, I'll move over to my infamously dusty windowsill. My desk blocks a good part of this, so in my defense, it's easy to forget. My blinds are no different, so they get plenty of filth too. I've tried having my desk in a few different spots in my room, but I always end up putting it back by the window. When I get to my desk, I start by blowing off my keyboard. I eat here sometimes, so crumbs are found occasionally. At this point, I'll check my desk drawer to see if any mail or random stuff made its way here. By the time my laundry's done, I'll start folding it on this stand that I use for practically everything. When I'm cleaning my room is usually when I'm considering any rearrangements. For now, I'm pretty content with how everything is. Anyways, I hope you got some, at least, entertainment out of this video. I really enjoyed making it for whatever reason. I'll be back with a typical video that I post within the next week. If you did enjoy it, be sure to like and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you next time.